Welcome, today in front of me TCL 30 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works here. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method works here fast. That's the good result for the face unlock, and I suggest you to try this. For example, if you don't like the just to use the the passcodes or pin codes, just you can try the face unlock. But I'll just make one more thing. I just set up my face unlock recognition here without the glasses, and now I'll just try to wear the glasses and we'll see does it works with the glasses together. So okay, I'm in the glasses right now, you can see that, and now let's start. And as can you see, the face unlock also works with the glasses together, so just perfect. I just suggest you to try that, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure just than the passcode or pin code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.